Highest quality OE replacement piston ring set available. MAHLE replacement ring sets are designed with OE form, fit, and function. MAHLE piston rings with SE 9254 high alloy steel base material combine to make the ultimate piston ring base material. Higher tensile and yield strength, extended fatigue resistance, and increased material hardness. MAHLE second rings provide superior oil control, improved combustion gas management, top ring stability, and sealing, providing the best possible oil control and least amount of power loss. MAHLE CP-20 oil rings provide superior oil control in all applications, utilizing the exclusive 20-degree ear angle for the best possible side seal in the piston oil ring groove and simplifies installation. MAHLE continues to lead the industry with SE 9254 high alloy steel Napier second rings, providing high-quality gray iron, ductile iron BT and RBT second rings. Fit type. Vehicle specific. MAHLE piston rings are the most technically advanced piston rings in the industry. Driven by OE requirements, reducing friction and ring mass while minimizing engine oil consumption, and providing longer service life. MAHLE piston rings lead the industry for the latest piston ring technology. Top reviews from the United States. Good product. Very good rings. Ring gap in a standard bore were right on. I will use them again.